Drama now, this a drama now. Call your sister and your brother and your mama now. Shan Tasiia big show and it on ya now. And them can't stop the one ya cause it gone ya now. Again, drama now, with name drama now. Call your sister and your brother and your mama now. Shan Tasiia big show and it on ya now. And them can't stop the one ya cause it gone ya now.
Me not run pro when it come to discipline. Picking if you have manners. And when me threaten you, it not have to make sense. Just know say me serious.
Mama, I'll be right back. I'm about to go down the block real quick.
Yeah, ask me if I go down the block? Or you a tell me say, yeah, go down the block?
No.
So you run things around here?
No.
Come on, come my face before me kick you in your face.
Okay.
All your granny I go feel it.
Wait there. Why me have to feel it? How me get involved in that?
Sorry, mommy. I saw things go when threat go on, you know? You was a bystander. No ramp with them, no play with them. Clean up that room, yeah. And don't make me have to tell you again.
2 hours later.
That room is still dirty? Since I pay you want to live in her, I go and get a gun cow for living here with you. Make them buck you in your nasty ass. Watch me. Watch between me and you. Take a joke me and make girl. Beg you some of my snacks.
No. You always want to have some of my snacks.
You're too mean and you're selfish. Make sure that last year until you get bigger and move out of my house. You hear me? Cause you're not gonna have no more snacks in ya. You're gonna have fruit until you turn into one little monkey. You snack attack you.
Here, take some. I don't want to turn into a monkey. Here.
Give me this. You're too mean. You're selfish. I'm not getting back neither. If you learn to be kind.
You can't go to the store for me? Me need something right now and I can't go out there. Me born them at me.
Not right now, me busy.
Look how much things me do for you as a mother. And you can't go to the store for me?
Mommy, me said not right now.
How will you talk to sir? Guy store right now before me have to slap you. Don't make me get dark in ya. Probably cause you feel say you're big. Me can't thump up.
Alright.
Now play with me. Right. Well, yeah, the camera fix good. Now make them picking their past them place with you. No matter how old them get.
Mommy,
yeah.
You need have to talk to me so rough. Me's a big woman, you know.
Move and go. You feel have manners. And what does she? Don't do that. Right.
You need to follow Shan Tasiia on every platform. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Like, share and subscribe. Press the notification bell so you can see everything we upload. You see the code? Cracker, Molly, Cracker. What name? Drama no, with name, Drama no.